Well, hello there. How are you? So today, listen, we're going to get right into it. I'm doing some head wraps. I'm in between retwists and I need to kind of hide this new growth. And I want to do it and look classy too. So I know how y'all like to get to the point. Let's get right to it. With this first head wrap style, you're going to want to pull all your hair to the front. So the kind of ponytail that we're doing here is we're going to put it right on top of our head. You're going to get it as close to your forehead as you possibly can. Now, you saw me pull that little piece of hair up. For this style, it's okay to leave some hair out. I actually think it's really, really cute to leave some hair out. So what you want to do is give yourself a bang. So if you can see, I kind of just pulled my ponytail holder around one time and pulled my hair through it as to make a bang in the front. Okay, and so for the first wrap, we're gonna put it over the bun in the top like so. And again, you guys, these wraps are very stretchy, they're pretty large, and they're easy to work with. And we're gonna cross it in the front and tie it through the same way you would do shoestrings. These wraps are pretty stretchy, that's why I love them. You can find them on Amazon. I'll link it below. I'm not affiliated with the seller, but I'll link it just so that you can have it. So now you want to start twisting both sides. Just twist, twist, twist. And the name of the game with head wraps that I'm learning is tuck. Just tuck. Anywhere you can find a tuck, tuck it in. And make sure that it's nice and secure so you don't have to worry about it coming out. So now what you want to do is just the bang that you made, start pulling those pieces of your locks through to complete that look. And you can pull through as much or as little as you want. Again, just give a quick check to make sure that it's nice and secure in the back so you don't have to worry about it coming loose out in public. And this is look number one. What you think? I wore this to church on Sunday with my daughter and everybody thought that I was her sister. So, hey, I love this one. Okay, so on to head wrap number 2. Low-key, I like this style just like that right there. But let's do the next one. This one, you're gonna pull your ponytail back to not close to your forehead, but like kind of the center or the top of your head. And you're going to create a messy bun right here. It doesn't have to be neat at all. I love this blush pink color. It came in the same pack of head wraps that I got. I think it was like a set of 5. And I'm going to use at least 4 of those here. One of them was black, but I'm going to use all the colors here. So for this one, we're not pulling it through like we did the shoestring. We're just crossing it in the top. And then what you're going to do is simply just tuck in the ends. You can twist it some to give it some definition there, or you don't have to. But twisting it will ensure that it kind of locks in place kind of tightly there. And this one is quick and easy. I love to do this when I'm just kind of running out to the store somewhere and I don't feel like doing my hair. And again, I suggest pulling out random pieces because you want to show people you got locks, you know, because locks are beautiful, right? to wrap number 3. Now for this particular wrap, I'm going to do a high side ponytail. When your hair is longer and you have a lot of locks like I have here, this one can get kind of frustrating, but actually it's really worth it in the end because I think it's kind of cute. But the frustrating part is your hair just being so long, and then you gotta twist it and turn it and push it on one side to get it to come through the ponytail holder. Like, it's just, man, if you can see, like, I'm just struggling to do what I need to do here, but this is a look that I really enjoy wearing too. So again, it's a high side ponytail, and we're using the golden wrap this time. So the idea of this one is to twist the 2 sides I have here, and I'm going to wrap them around the base of the ponytail when I ever get through wrapping it. This part was kind of hard, but you can get it done. And so again here, we're going to use the shoestring method and pull it through like you're pulling through a shoestring. And so now what you want to do is just twist each side or twist each end that's open and just configure it around the ponytail. And again, tuck wherever you can tuck. And a lot of this is me just kind of on the fly trying to figure out where I want to put it. And you'll find that you'll be doing that too, but you'll figure it out. If yours doesn't look exactly like this one, it'll be very, very close to it. But the main idea here is to use the base of the ponytail to secure the wrap. This is one of my favorites. All right, y'all, so let's get to this last look. Now for the last wrap, you're gonna simply pull your ponytail to the back of your head. And this is not gonna be a low ponytail, it's gonna go right to the center. So we're using the purple wrap this time. And again, your ponytails or your buns do not have to be neat. That's the point of these, is to hide what you got going on up under there, but you want to look cute at the same time. So for this one, we're just draping it over the bun and taking the 2 loose sides and twisting them. And once I started doing this, I was thinking of going across the top toward the front, but then I changed my mind, said, no, let's go backward. So you're gonna just cross them under the bun in the back. And then just drape like a halo across the top, cross in the middle. And now once you've got this established, then you can start twisting. Cross again in the back to make it more secure and twist some more. And then the name of the game again, tuck away, tuck, tuck, tuck. And of course, you'll use your mirrors to make sure that you don't have like any tags or anything left out and that it's neatly tucked away. Tell y'all, I edited this out, but I pulled my earrings out about 7 times. Like, do not put your earrings in while you're trying to do this. It just is not going to work, especially if you have big hoops like I'm wearing here. And the more dramatic the earrings, the better, I think. Like, you can just play around with your style with it. I love, love, love these wraps. It makes my life so much easier. So hey, are you gonna try any of these? Let me know. Please comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you a part of the family. I love you. See you next time.